optimal air solutions lead the future of spaces toward a thriving tomorrow here at LG HVAC Solutions. We're pathfinders, advancing intelligent optimization with every core technology. LG AI serves as the base of our systems. Creating a personalized air conditioning experience. We believe that true innovation lies in the quality of comfort that our energy-efficient, integrated solutions provide. Our strength stems from our ability to craft our core technology internally. From components to finished products. We're pathfinders, driving innovation in all climates. Wherever it's placed, our technology adjusts to keep performance steady even in varied climates. Shaped by how people live, our regionally tailored solutions bring reliable comfort wherever it's needed. Localized development and production help us deeply understand global lifestyles. So even those in challenging climates around the world can enjoy top performance for the most comfortable spaces as a result of our research. We're pathfinders, building trust as a partner at every stage. From design to installation and maintenance, we solve problems ahead of time. Through advanced expertise and technology, we put in every effort to enable mutual growth. The moment you choose us, you choose to stay ahead. Ahead of the expected with LG HVAC Solutions.